Wait, can focus on. Okay, so today we are at Bird Paradise. So anyway, Bird Paradise is new. So if you enjoy my channel and you like to see more travel videos on how you're going to travel with kids, then this is the channel for you. Okay, hit the like button, subscribe button. Today is the, I think, third, fourth day of the opening of Bird Paradise. So we're going to bring you to Bird Paradise and see what's new there. We are also new here, so let's explore together. Okay, so one thing right is when we park at the car park, when we turn in from there, we park at the end because we realize that it leads out to here. So when you turn in, you gotta go left. Okay, you turn left, you'll come to Bird Paradise. Okay, so I want to share with you is that this playground over here, right, is just next to the car park, and you don't need to pay. Look at this small girl is here. Yeah, you don't need to pay. So this playground is free. So further down, there's another playground. Okay, we found the map. So this is the car park. Just now this is the playground. So left is the playground. Right is walking to Bird Paradise. So there's still a long walk. So along the way, you have a Han Union restaurant, and you have the Bird of Paradise ice cream. If you know this place, right, this is from the Jewels. This is from Jewels Airport. Then they are here. They are also called Bird of Paradise lah. Anyway, they are the first one to call Bird of Paradise before Bird Paradise comes out. Then you also have your chairs that you can purchase your food and drinks. Anyway, this whole place is full of food. Okay, before the entrance, you have food, you have playground. The whole place along the way is full of food. Okay, so don't need to worry that there's not enough food here. I think the food option is even more than the zoo or even the river safari. Oh, we are here. The entrance is so big and so beautiful. My girl is into videography now. Oh, they're going to announce already, darling. Look, let's go there. Let's go there.
Or you already purchased your
look here, take a photo. So when we first come in, we see the waterfall. Then there's the Penguin Cove, and that's the Wing Sanctuary. So now we're going to decide which one should we go first. Oh, okay, so we will go to the Abbey Theatre first. The reason is because there's a show at 10 o'clock. So now we enter at 9. We need to go up the elevator to watch the show. Wow, there's a tram. Yeah. Okay, we're going to register for the show first. Because the show is at 10 o'clock. So we need to register for the show first.
Will you sit that one first?
Yeah, we sit down and watch the Wings of Predator first. Look at that, the squirrel eating the jackfruit. Must be so happy, got jackfruit to eat. Okay, so actually, right, we took a very long walk to the theater over here. Okay, but if I were to suggest you, you can actually take the tram to Shuttle Station 2. That's faster. Okay, so after walking here, right, my wife realized that it's very different from the zoo and the night safari. You don't need to use the QR code to book. You just need to queue up at 10 o'clock. So we are kind of early. We're going to see other place now. And we realized that the Crimson Wild Wetland is here. And also another big playground. Look. Okay, this is our first one, the Crimson Wetland, nearest to the Omni Theatre. Oh, got aircon, show. Hello. Oh, got aircon, nice. Okay, so we gotta wait for that to close before here enters. Let's go. Oh, got aircon. Okay, so we are here at the Crimson Wetland. Look at the birds, guys. Wow. Look at that. Look at the flamingos. Is that the waterfall? The famous waterfall? Anyway, there's a lot of waterfall here lah. I don't think it's anything impressive. There's so many waterfalls. This place feels like the Find Wall-E game because they'll show you all the animals here. Then you need to try to find them. Oh, this is for kids to play. So kids oriented. Lily Pet Hop. Oh my god, look at the birds, look at the birds, they're flying inside the bird park. Oh my god, that's nice. This bird just flew on me. Hey, go! Go! Stand nearer to the edge so that they don't drop inside. Yeah, go lah, go! Go, I gotta help you, go! Never mind, you can do it, just step out. Go step, go step. Yeah, you can. Oh, this is shaky, oh my goodness! You can or not? Or you want me to go first? Okay, you come back, I try. Oh my goodness, this is shaky. Oh, no lah, it's okay, come. Oh, come. Oh. Okay, go. Oh, shaky, whoa. Be careful, that's shaky. That's shaky. Okay, go. Never mind, if you're okay, then go. Go lah, try your best. Balance. Okay, I go first. Whoa. Okay, now your turn. Never mind, I hold you, you try. I hold you, come. Never mind, just jump and hold my hand. Okay, oh my goodness. Oh my, okay, don't move, I'm filming for you. Ah! You want it to go away? Just shake a little bit. Oh my, so that's the experience of a bird park. Is it biting you? Okay, we have to focus here. Wait, I let her cross first. Come, Alicia, come, ready? 1, hold my hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3, very good. Oh my, it's flying away. Okay, go. Toy. Okay, no more shaky already. Alicia, where you want to go, Alicia? Yeah, go to the aircon. Hey, wait. Okay, you pull. Okay, go. Oh my god, darling, they're singing. Song of the Forest. Oh, big bird. Then we have another one. Look a little bit grumpy. Daddy cannot go so near, huh? Darling, not so near.
Just trying to bite the plastic out. Hello.
Oh my. I thought it was about to fly onto me. Hello. Oh my, looks like it's going to fly onto me. I'm so afraid they will fly onto me. Oh my god, it's coming, oh my god! Scare me. Oh yeah, so scary, the big one. You have to be mentally prepared that they will fly onto you. High chance. Look at this. Yes. Okay, wait, I'm reading the rules, you see? Keep your jewelry safe. Don't bring food and drinks. And cannot touch. Just now the uncle keep touching. Cannot touch. Now that we know they cannot touch, right? Okay, you endure a little bit. I know you're very hot. We're going for the show now, okay? Yeah, we take a break. There's a lot of walking, right? Okay, say hi to the camera. How do you feel? Do you enjoy yourself? Oh, it's very hot. Very hot, yeah. Very hot. Should wear lighter clothes. Oh my goodness, I thought this was a real bird. This is huge. Yeah, it's a fake bird. Okay, finally we are here for the show.
So the Sky Amphitheatre is now open for the 10 a.m. presentation.
10 a.m. show.
Eating and drinking is not allowed.
Oh my, eating and drinking is not allowed. See. Good morning. We are here for the show. Predators on Wings. This is the first show, 10 o'clock. I think the next one is 12:30.
Eagle. Now off to the raptors. Oh, here she comes! Nice landing.
Okay, coming already, coming already, coming already. Catch the fish.
It's day 10 to hunt. You bring the knife. And with that, let's take
Okay, hit the like button, subscribe button. I see you in the next episode and bye bye.